Right, this session is about looking at how to do the reports, the database report questions. So far they seem to be worth about 5 marks, which is a lot of marks to get. And it's not a difficult to get these 5 marks, so that's what we want to try and do, make sure we're getting the 5 marks. So this question is from the spec paper, and I'm sure you've all looked at it, the one with the dock and the walkers. So we want to know down here how this report would be produced. I can see Walker is Susan, and the other thing I can see that everybody's got the same as is the walk well with others, which is a yes. It's just that kind of thing that you should quickly be able to spot out. If I had a highlighter or something that was underlined, I would maybe be putting circles around this or highlighting it. I'd be doing something to make these things stand out, because I can see data that's collated, that maybe that's what I'm searching for. When I look at my ERD, I should be looking for my primary keys and my foreign keys. So the way I do it, I always start off the same way. And what I do is I say, create a query. Right, so that you're using the right terminology. So create a query. Now I want to know what tables the query's on. If you think about Query Builder, you selected your tables from the left hand side, then you did your joins, then you selected the columns you wanted to display, and then you put in your conditions. So we're going to try and do it the exact same way. I want you to try and, when you're looking at this, picture Query Builder in your head the same way you did for your views when you were doing them for your coursework and your unit assessment. So the tables that I want, I need to know what tables have got dog name, which is dog, dog type, which is dog, the owner address, which is in owner, walks well with others, which is dog, and I need the owner name, which is Susan. So the two classes, it's Walker, which is in the Walker table. So I'm actually going to have to use dog owner for the owner address and Walker. So now, can I go from dog to owner to Walker, or do I need to use this walk? So my owner has got, my dog has got owner ID, which will connect me to owner. There's no other foreign keys in here. Over at Walker ID, I don't have any foreign keys. I need to use walk as well. So the tables that I need to use are the 4 of them. So create a query, and then I'm going to write underneath it, I'm just going to be an asterisk, and I'm going to write using tables. And if I move up again, so I've got them all: dog, owner, walk and walker. Dog, owner, walk and walker. So the next thing you did when you did Query Builder is you did your join. So join, and this is similar to your Java. I'm joining my dog. I'm joining my owner. I'm just looking at it there. I'm joining my owner to my dog to my walk to my walker. So I'm going to say join owner.owner ID. So owner is my table, dot is my column, ID equals, and that one there is going to equal dog.owner ID. Right, and then I'm going to write and. So how do I go from my dog to my walker? Well, I have to go from dog to walk. So dog.dog ID equals walk.dog ID. So dog.dog ID equals walk.dog ID. And so I went from here to here, here to here, and you go from here to here, which is my walk dot walker ID equals walker dot walker ID. Walk dot walker ID equals walker dot walker ID. And that's us showing the join. We're showing that you've joined the 4 tables. So I need to use the 4 tables to be able to get all the joins. So what is it I now want to display? Right, so underneath I'm going to say display fields or columns. I'll stick with columns because I've been saying columns. Display columns walker dot name dog dot, I need to make sure these are all right, dog dot dog name, so it's walker name, look at that, walker dot walker name, dog dot dog name, dog dot dog type, owner dot owner address, and finally walks well with others. So I've got it all there, and so that there is dog dot walks well with others. And now finally I want to see what the criteria is. So the criteria seems to be these are all Susan's dogs, and this one here is the walks well with others. So my criteria is walker dot walker name equals Susan, and dog dot walks well with others. Yep, getting fed up writing it. Equals, yes. And that, guys, is how you get your 5 marks. Okay. Oh, sorry. There we go. Create a report. There we go. Create a report from the result. And there you go. That's your 5 marks. Now, quite a lot of writing to do there, but let's be honest, that is not that difficult. Okay, that's an easy one. You want to be picking up as many marks as possible in that question.